Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to see something specifically on Photoshop. So there an error which occur when you're trying to take a file, yeah, to take a picture and put it on Photoshop. So we want to see how to fix it. Yes, okay. So let's go. Let us take file, open. So we have some files here. Okay, let us take this one. Okay, boom. So when we are trying to take this picture, show us could not complete your request because of like that. So today we want to fix it and open it as normal. Okay, so let's go to let's open files, Windows E. Okay, I'm going through the folder, open the folder. So is that picture that I want to set on Photoshop. What I want to do, mine is that, but yours could be another one. Okay, mine is that I want to fix this picture. So first left button, right button, sorry, and we go to open with paint. Yeah, open with paint. So select the picture, right button, right click, sorry, open with and paint. And when it's open on paint, just only one thing you do, you save it. Yeah, you save it, click here and save. That is finished. We close paint. No more thing we do, close paint, and we're trying to take it another time. File, open, yeah, that, double click. Wow, nice. Now we have the picture. If you got this error, just follow the steps we got through your right. Okay, thank you. Just subscribe and like. If there's some comments, please don't forget. Welcome to my channel another time.